It is not exactly a song, a part of Saranam Jekabothunnaru. Today India is celebrating its 79th Independence Day. We have gone from Atmanirbhar Bharat, self-reliant India, to Vikasit Bharat, developed India, and now the theme is Navya Bharat. The nation's freedom isn't written in ink; it is written in the blood of its people. On Independence Day, always there are some names that will be common throughout the country, such as Mahatma Gandhi, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, Bhagat Singh, and Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose. However, there were a volume of many warriors, men, women, and children who lay behind the brilliant pages of all our social history textbooks, who also inspired our national struggle for freedom. And today, I would like to shed some light on all of these stories. Have you heard of Birsa Munda, the Munda tribal leader who fought against British oppression and became an idol of the land's ancestral pride? Or of Patti Sriramulu, who died after launching a huge and non-violent hunger strike for liberating states? Sriramulu showed an exemplary act of courage using non-violence against the British. In Manipur, Rani Gaidinlu, a teenager, led an armed revolution against the British, and she died as she refused to wrap herself in the feet of the colonials. Or K. Kelappan, also known as the Kerala Gandhi, who also made many contributions towards our country's freedom. They all fought with no promises of fame, no promises of statues in their honor, but what they fought for was simple yet profound: a free India where the next generation could live with dignity and with their dignity intact. As modern Indians, we have various rights and privileges such as education, technology, and the freedom to say what we wish. But we must always remember that these rights and privileges were paid for by the blood, sweat, and sacrifices of many countless individuals whose names we may never know. Hence, let us promise that we will not remember these heroes simply once a year, but to live by their values they stood for and they died for, such as courage, selflessness, and love for the nation. Because true tribute to our heroes is not in words, but in building the India they dreamed of. Jai Hind!
Jai Hind. So, Apit has a very interesting content. Thank you so much. You want to go to the song? Yes.
మళ్ళీ చెప్పినట్టు నేను సాంగ్ పాడట్లేదు, సారాంశం చెప్పబోతున్నాను. According to Srirangam Srinivasarao, a famous Indian poet, and his famous song Padavoyi Bharatiyuda, and I would want to recite that summary today. Padavoyi Bharatiyuda, Adi Padavoyi Vijaya Geetika, నేడే స్వాతంత్ర దినం, ఇది ఎందరో వీరుల త్యాగఫలం. స్వాతంత్రం వచ్చి సంబరపడిపోతే సరిపోదు, అలాగే మన సాధించిన దానితో తృప్తిపడి అదే విజయం అనుకోవడం పొరపాటు. మనమందరం కలిసి ప్రగతి దారిలో సాగాలి అని కవి చెప్తున్నారు. Let me say this in English. Sing, O Indian, sing the victory anthem of our country. Today is the Independence Day, and it is the result of countless freedom fighters who sacrificed themselves. Today is Independence Day. Just because we got independence, if we be happy, it's not enough. Instead, we should go towards the progress, and we should all come together to form a better India. Thank you.
ఇక్కడున్న కిడ్స్ లో ఎంతమందికి ఇది అర్థమైంది? కిడ్స్ రేజ్ యువర్ హ్యాండ్స్. రేజ్ యువర్ హ్యాండ్స్ కిడ్స్. మీకు కిడ్స్ కాదా? What is the meaning of independence? Do you know what is independence? Huh? Do you know what is independence? Yes? Come here. What is independence? I'm not asking independence. What is independence? people. That is how we get